Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got a new case of Hot Wheels here, the E case, and I'm opening from the top. I'm just gonna pick these ones and see if there is any super treasure hunt in there. So I've got some nice cars in this case actually. The kit, and then some fantasy castings, and then the Tesla Cyber Quad. And what else we have? Yeah, another Porsche here, which is the main, the regular, and other ones are fantasy. That's a treasure hunt from this case, Rick Storm. Just put that here. Then, yeah, Mustang. Then you got Tesla, Kit, and Mid-Mill. Cool, and then Range Rover, Chevy, and Gordon Murray. Just put them here. Tune it up. Another fantasy casting. Toyota Gia Cup, Lamborghini, Cadillac, Porsche, and Slide-Burn. All right. Then we have Mazda, Later Crater. She'll pick them. Mazda AutoZam. Batmobile, Hako, Lamalt. Cool. And Ram, Futurisman, Power Rocket. Cool. All right, what else we have? Just go to the bottom case here. They're all still intact. And the super treasure in this case is the Aston Martin. Oh, soap. Cool. So, right. That's my second find. The super treasure hunt. All right. Ram. All right, Heckle. Then we have the nice castings, Honda, Cadillac, and Cyclone. Beg your pardon. All right, Ford has got nice casting there. All right, just put them here. It's really hard to do it with one hand. Anyways, oh, that's Williams Racing. That's a nice one. I'll take that as well. Batmobile and Ford Bronco. And then we have the Ain't Fair, Slide-Burn. All right, some fantasy castings, Toyota and Chevy. Chevy Impala, Flippin' Fast, and Silverado. Leave that there. Right. Datsun, Chevy, and the stock car. That's the super from the previous case. That's a regular, obviously. Then you got the Tesla Cyber Quad long block. Right, and the last four cars, that's another Datsun there. Ain't Fair. All right, and I've got a Brazilian Dodge Charger. Cool. All right, and I've also got the Monster Jams from Hot Wheels here, and that's the treasure from this case, the Bigfoot, which I'll grab. And I also have the car culture here, This series is actually the one which has got the black Toyota Land Cruiser Chase, but I think there is no chase, and we had a quick look. And it's all the regular and the Hilux and the Land Cruiser there. All right, I'll pick these up and done. Thanks for watching.